Welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit picture or photo in Capcut. Let's get started. Open your Capcut, and then if you want to edit your photo, you have to click on New Project right here, and then choose the photo that you want to edit. Wait for a moment, guys. You have to click on this option. Click on the photos, and then choose the photo that you want to edit, and I'll go with this photo. So what I'm going to do is clicking on the photo, then there will be three options for us, like right here. We can add or we can edit photo, and you have to choose edit photo, because if you click on add, it means that you want to add this photo to your video project. So click on edit photo right here and wait for a moment. Alright, here we go. There are a lot of features that we can use for editing our photo. For example, you can put filters to your photo. You just have to click on filter option, and then choose the filter that you like, and I'll go with this one, light skin. Just click on the filters and click on this check mark after you choose the filters. And you can also put text to your photo by clicking on the text right here, and you can also add sticker. Just click on the sticker, and there will be a lot of stickers for you, and you can scroll down. Just choose the sticker that you like, and make sure that you have good internet connection to download the sticker. And after you choose the sticker that you like, you can click on this check mark. Okay, and I'll just go with the sticker. Alright, and click on the check mark. And you can adjust the sticker to the photo like this. You can zoom in and zoom out. It's up to you. And you can also, adjust the lighting of the photo by clicking on this adjust option. Alright guys, and you can explore it by yourself. That's how you can edit photo in Capcut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!